Hello, today we learn how to find the coordinates of vertex of parabola. Parabola is graph of the quadratic function of this type. Parabola has just one vertex with coordinates xv and yv. To find these coordinates, we must find first xv, and this is minus b over 2 times a, and the second coordinate yv we can find with replacing x coordinate in the function. Example 1. Let we have the function fx equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. In this case, a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is 3. First coordinate of our vertex xv equals minus b over 2 times a, and it will be minus 2 over 2 times 1, and it is 2 over 2, and this is 1. To calculate the second coordinate of the vertex, we must replace with 1 in the function, and the result will be 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 3, and this is 4 minus 2 is 2. Finally, our vertex has coordinates 1 and 2. Let's show how to look this in the coordinate system. Our function is x squared minus 2 times x plus 3, and coordinate of vertex, it is 1 and 2. Okay. Example number 2. Let our function g is minus x squared minus 4x minus 3. In this case, a is minus 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 3. First coordinate of our vertex will be again minus b over 2 times a, and in this case it will be minus 4 over 2 times minus 1, and this is 4 over minus 2, it is minus 2. Now again we will replace here and here. yv is minus 2 squared minus 4 times minus 2 minus 3, and it is minus 4 plus 8 minus 3, and this is 1. Our vertex in this case has coordinates minus 2 and 1. Let's show this again. We have function minus x squared minus 4x minus 3. And the coordinates of our vertex is minus 2 and 1. Okay, let's crop this and we take this and paste here. Okay, this is our sketch. Now this is for first function. This is a graph of function fx equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, and the second graph fx equals minus x squared minus 4x minus 3. Okay, in first case we can look that the a equals 1 and a is positive number. This means that our parabola is positive quadratic, and this means that parabola is open up. In the second case, a is minus 1, a is negative number, and our parabola is open down. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.